the features of this cylinder head. So this is a cylinder head off of a mid-range Cummins, and you can see that looking at it that the surface is very smooth and the valves are just briefly kind of recessed into the cylinder head, but there are really no features on this head. It's flat. So unlike an automotive cylinder head where you would determine the shape of the combustion chamber by the shape of the cylinder head and where the valves were, our diesel engine combustion chambers are going to be defined by the shape of these pistons. So you can see that these pistons are dished down in deep here. We call these a toroidal type piston, toroidal, because it has the crown in the center, it has the valley around it. On these direct injection 4-stroke engines, the injector sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber and it spreads out into this area. So here we see a piston that's at top dead center, and over here we can see one that's near bottom dead center, right? So you got to imagine that if the cylinder head's sitting flat on top of this guy, that when you take all the air, especially pressurized air coming from a turbo, and you fill this area up with pressurized area, and then that piston comes up and all of the air that was in here is now squeezed into this space right here, right? So the basic law of physics is when you take air and you compress it into a small space, you're going to make it extremely hot. So the reason that diesels can get away with not using spark plugs to ignite a fuel air mixture, number one, the diesels don't have a fuel air mixture. During the intake stroke, the only thing entering the cylinder is going to be air, pressurized air from a turbo usually. So that air then gets compressed by the piston, and when it comes up to top dead center like this, we're going to, not at this point, but right before top dead center, we're going to begin injecting fuel. And this air has been heated up so much from the compression that it ignites the fuel by itself without the need of a spark assist. So that would be the difference between what diesels, we call them compression ignition engines, because they use hot compressed air to ignite the fuel, and versus a spark ignition engine, which needs a spark to help ignite an air fuel mixture.